Hello guys. So today we are going to make paper soap. And for paper soap, what we are going to need is pieces of soap, and these soap pieces are of when the soap is getting finished, in place of throwing them, you are going to break them in pieces and use them for your paper soap. You can collect much more and start making. After this, you're going to need this pad, a plastic spoon, and a bowl of water. Able to see this? Yeah, you are able to. This bowl of water, we're gonna need a scale, and for rolling you can use a pencil also, or a glue gun stick also, or else you can use something more harder and in a circle shape. Okay, and also you are going to need this mortar and pestle. Okay, now what we're going to take, we are taking the bowl of water, keeping this and this mortar and pestle. In this mortar and pestle, from this plastic spoon, I'm going to pour a little bit of water in that, half tablespoon I think, and then I'm taking one piece of soap and putting in that. Now if you want, you can put more water also. I'm trying to put, yeah, I'm done with that. Now I'm gonna squash this all in this, and I'm going to take this out in this. Okay, let's do this. Guys, I will suggest you to wear an apron and do, because the water which you will pour in that soap will splash on your body. So that will be more better if you wore an apron and do. See, are you able to see this one? See, this one is the crushed one aside. I have crushed it in this mortar with the pestle, and I'm suggesting you with a plastic spoon, because with spoon you're gonna take that out and keep, and you're gonna also mix with a spoon. That's the reason no steel spoon, because it will go in your stomach. Okay, so I'm going to do with this another piece, and 1 tablespoon of water. Okay, I'm going to start with the third piece. I think you're able to see me. See, I'm done with all of that. Now what I'm going to do is, you all know, for chapati what we do, we make a dough and make that. So for this also we're going to make a dough. Okay, so first of all you're going to smash that. If you need, then only a little bit of water, and then we are going to join and make a small and nice dough. Okay, so let's start this. Wash your hands and come. Okay, now I'll tell you that because this is soap, the dough will not be perfect, but it will be like a dough. It's like a squishy and all. Okay, if you would like, you may squish that more and more. Okay, I think you are enjoying this activity. Now what we're gonna do, with a pencil or with a glue gun stick, I'm using this pencil, and we are gonna make chapati out of this. Okay, a type of chapati, nothing else. I want you to do. Just a minute. Hi guys, so I'll tell you again that when I was making, I got to know that the people, if you will pour so much of water, it will not be as smooth and smooth and thin like a chapati. So what you can do is, let it be like that. What you have to do, just cut in different pieces. See, when I have done with that, I have cut it in these pieces like these, so that you may use a little bit of that. Done and done. So now what we are going to need is, see, I'll just show you how I have done. And guys, please like and subscribe my video. Here, are you able to see these pieces? These and these. Nice. Okay, you were able to see, right? So now what we're going to need is, you all know that we get these egg cases so easily. So I'm going to cut one of the egg case. Okay, just a minute. See, I have cut one of the egg case, and now I'm gonna keep these in this. And if you don't have the egg case, what you can do that, if in medicines there is a plastic cap on the top of the medicine, if that's a medicine of cough and cold, so you can use that also. Okay, so I'm using this and I filled it. I made these so less, but next time I'm gonna make more and keep for myself. Okay, so now bye bye. And even I want, in this lockdown, I want you to see my videos. There's so much type of swimming and Ramayan and dance. I want you to learn some yoga also. I've uploaded a yoga video, and even I want you to do so many crafts of mine. Okay, so now bye bye. Let's meet in my next video.